going to talk about a cylinder that came off of a stump grinder. So this is one of three. They all work together in their own way. When I pulled this cylinder apart, I immediately could tell that this is going to need a new rod machine. Reason being is this has a bunch of scoring down it, and it looks like the chrome is worn. Luckily, this is a standard cylinder of 1.5 OD. So we have rod stock here, and measure that up, give that to the inside guys, and then they will quote that for the material that I will be using. Another thing that I have seen with this cylinder when I took it apart is there looks like water also got into this cylinder, almost like my last video. Once again, corrosion started, and I'm going to have to hone this barrel out. So when I look inside of this, I see there's a bunch of scoring in here from this piston as well. Hopefully we can hone some of them lines out and then go from there, and we will give a quote to the customer and see if they want to go ahead and do it.